Welcome back, guys. So regular viewers may recognize this beautiful little PSP here. It's one from a few weeks back where I bought my first ever PSPs. I had no knowledge about them or any parts, so I've done some shopping and research between now and then. So this one wouldn't power on, but look at this. Ta-da! Turned out it was just the battery. So happy days, it'll turn on without being plugged in 24/7 now, but we've still got to tackle that joystick problem there. I mean, I could just put a new cap on the end and be done with it, but I bought a whole joystick because if working on these devices, well, Nintendo devices in the past has taught me anything, these buttons, as you can already see, are quite grubby, and it's going to be a hell of a lot worse on the inside. So I've got a whole new joystick just in case. But we're going to open it up and check it out, see how grubby it is on the inside, swap it, and then at the end I was hoping to actually put some custom firmware on there, because that's always a fun thing to do with these kind of devices. So I've never done that on one of these. My screwdriver doesn't fit in the back there, bugger. That's right, we'll find another one. Yeah, we'll hopefully nice and easily soft mod it at the end with the firmware. There we go, we've got the correct size screwdriver to fit down that slot now. And we've got some spinning action. I like it. I like it a lot. So I don't think it's too hard to get these front plates off. We're about to void the warranty here, guys, so brace yourself, the point of no return. I'm a very naughty boy for doing this. If it would come up, that would be fantastic. There should be 2 screws under here, I think. Just like the top. There we go. Stupid sticker. Gone. Irrelevant. We don't care. Do what we want. Stick the old spudgy wudgy in the edge and try and run it around. See if there's any plastic clips along the edge there. That's what always gets you on these kind of things. Plastic clips, right where you don't expect them. Look at that. Seems to have come off alright. Nothing attaching the 2 pieces together. I like it. Easy. That little joystick there. I was wondering why it didn't have any sort of ribbon connectors or anything like that, but the gold plates just come in contact with the gold plates on that. Straight up, which is how it works. Interesting. Yeah, you know, a bit different to how the 3DS's look. Doesn't look too hard to take off. 2 screws, swap it over, bam, I think it's fine. While it's all opened up, we're going to give it a clean in here on all these buttons while it's all opened up. Get this one out of the way first. See how it looks underneath, around. Off, easy. This PSP is definitely showing its age with how much hair is on its stick. Wow. Buttons at the bottom. A little bit of adhesive in the middle. That's fine. Get them out of the way. And look at that gamer gunk. Told ya. That is hours and hours and hours upon hours of gamer gunk. Let's give it all a bit of a scrub and we'll see you on the other side. Alright, that is back together. Wasn't a difficult process, just a bit of a clean, so let's get our game going. Let's test this new stick and see that it works. Yeehaw! Good old worms. Alright. It's not my turn, I'm not allowed to move. So I'm just going to update it to the latest firmware for what this device is compatible for, which is 6.61. Because the guide says, hey, may as well go to the newest version, get all those features, because all versions of this were exploitable. So just going through the update now. It downloaded it to the memory card, and now we're running it from the memory card, I believe. It's hooning. Look at that, 78%. Didn't take long to get there. I don't really know how much it changes with it, but there we go. We're on version 6.61. This PSP is called Lachlan. I've plugged it into the computer now. Now I messed up screen recording this part. So pretty much what we did was downloaded a package off the guide. There was 2 files on there. We extracted it. We put those 2 files onto the root of the PSP drive. We are now going to go to the PSP drive. If I get out of videos and go to the correct spot. Oh, that's new. I didn't have that there before. So the update does do some stuff. Cool. Not that it'll work anymore anyway, I imagine. And here's our CFW stuff. So run the Pro update. Looks like it's going to run a game. It's just the update doing its thing. Press X to launch CFW. Bam. Press X to start CFW. Bam. Piss easy. 2 files onto the root of the drive. Was it the root? I can't remember if I put it on my root now. And then, bam. It's now got CFW running on it. Now that's not permanent. If I turn it off and turn it back on again, I'll have to run that again. But if we look here on the system information, it says Pro C in it, which means it's got the custom firmware on there. So I've downloaded a digital copy of the Worms game. There's the UMD version. Downloaded a digital copy and put it on there. So it's a good way to do digital backups. It's a good way to do the P word piracy, I guess. It's up to you if you want to do that or not. I guess you can't really buy the games legit anymore, so probably not as frowned upon. But look at that, works. Some magical spirit fingers over that. Do some more loading. Yes, happy, it's working. There is a way to make it CFW permanently. It's on the guide. I'll put a link to the guide I used. Very easy to do. Look at that, it works. I'm happy. Do what you will with the CFW. I don't know what other cool features there are. I just know that the big P word's the most popular thing for this. But hey, I'm happy. Not a hard fix at all, really. Joystick, very easy, very basic, but gonna call it success today. I do have some bits still coming for that other white PSP. Hopefully not too far off, and then I'll have both of them all working again. So thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.